up YouTube? Welcome to another Pokemon card unboxing. I got this collector's album that holds 60 cards. I got this because it came with a booster pack and also I can put some of my cards in here, so yeah, it works out for me. So let's just get on and open this up. See what we find inside. So let's take a quick look at this. Seems to have like a thick plastic. I got this from GameStop, just in case any of you guys want to know. There you got all those slots for your cards. Yeah, it's decent. Not too bad, not too, It was $4.99, so not that bad to me. There you go, you got the Ancient Origins, just a regular booster pack. So let's open this up and see what we find. Okay. Got the Pokemon Online code. Got Gumi, I don't know, Eevee, Oddish, Combee, Inkay. Oh wow, that's a nice trainer. It's foil or shiny, whatever you want to call it. Here's Spirit Link trainer, Gorlurk. I don't know what that is. Sorry, I'm still not good at these names. Metag, and another trainer, Spetel, what is that? Spetel? Spirit Link? I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the unboxing for today. Should have another one up soon. Probably gonna keep on getting these Ancient Origins because so far they have pretty cool cards, and I got an EX, so I kind of have my hopes on these Ancient Origins. But until next time, YouTube, thanks for watching.